Let's do a Sinful Lashes removal in 10 minutes or less. Start by putting the product across the lash line, and you want a good amount, and let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure the client doesn't talk so the product doesn't get into their eye. Then they slide off so easily. The key here is to make sure that none of the natural lashes come off in the process. Now we're going to remove as much of the product as possible, and then we're going to wash it with our Sinful Lashes Lash Bath. You want to use a clean lipstick wand, something that's disposable, and make sure you get into the lash line and remove all of the product, and then just scoop it off the lid. And then we're going to rinse and clarify the lashes with saline solution for sensitive eyes found in the contact lens aisle, and you're done. All products found at sinfullashes.com.